Good morning. For those of you who don't know, my name is Maya Karen. I run a fashion blog called Classically Kept. It does feature luxury, contemporary, and how-to style and now natural hair care and hair care topics. If you are into any of those things, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the notification bell. That way you will never miss a video. So today's video is going to be a what I wore over the weekend. We have a weekend filled with football camps. So on Saturday, we are going to ODU, and then on Sunday, we are going to, I believe, GSU. I would check with David on that, but this video is just about me packing, how I prepare, my little list that I create whenever I'm going somewhere, and then what I wore. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's see, what time is it? So it is 11:25. We are leaving a Friday. I can't remember whether or not David said we are leaving in the morning, afternoon. We'll probably be leaving in the morning so we can just take our time. So I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to packing, I like to be prepared. Not necessarily over prepared, but I'd rather have more options than less activities or less things that I am doing. So I would get a little bit closer, but I have two lists that I always do whenever I'm traveling, whether it's for a weekend or whether it's for a week, like you guys saw when I went to Philadelphia for a week for Mother's Day. I make lists. So the very first list that I make is just my toiletries, and I just go down from head to toe and I basically just make a list, and I will show you that. But the second thing that I do, the second list that I have, is I literally list out each day, and then I list out what I'm going to be wearing. So for instance, on Friday, we're going to be traveling. I will list out dress, shoes, purse, earrings, head wrap, and I will write it down. Now, of course, all of these things can be interchanged, and it also depends on what I'm doing that day. But I just need something to make sure that everything is streamlined, okay? So let me get a little bit closer, just kind of explain it a little bit more. Okay, so the first list, like I said, you can see right here that it says list, and then I literally just go down: bobby pins, hair clip, headscarf, sleeping head wrap, chevet grease, edge control, rat tail comb. Literally every single thing that I need, and I even list out my snacks. These are my snacks. The boys will have their own snacks. And then the list just continues, okay? So that's the first list. The second list is just me writing everything out, and I've actually figured out what I'm going to be wearing on Friday. So on Friday, you can see right here, it says on Friday we are going to be traveling, right? So I have listed shirt, bottom, shoes, earrings, purse. I've already figured out I'm wearing a dress, and I will fill you guys in on that. So let's move to Saturday. Saturday is a football camp day. You can see that we are going to Old Dominion. My top is going to be my white top from Amazon. My skirt is going to be my tennis skirt. It's black from Amazon. My tennis shoes are going to be from J. Crew. My head wrap is going to be my black YGN head wrap. My purse is going to be from Amazon. And then my earrings are going to be gilded stone, or they're going to be cherished pearl, right? So then on Saturday, when we go to GSU, I have it listed out as well. And then on a Sunday, so it's actually two outfits for Sunday. We're going to be going to football camp. That's one outfit. And then I don't really want to travel in an outfit that I have been sweating in, and I want to be comfortable. So now I have this right here. It says dress, sandal, purse, and earrings. I have actually already figured out what I'm going to be wearing for that, so I will show you what that looks like. But I just really quickly wanted to show you how I organize. So you can only imagine with Philly, because I was there for 7 days, I literally listed out Monday through Monday, just like this. And then should the weather change, I do always pack alternates, or I do pack interchangeable pieces, and then I just go by this list. Okay, so here is my suitcase. It is my Samsonite suitcase. It's my smaller suitcase. We're only going to be gone for the weekend. So far I have laid out what I'm going to be wearing when it comes to, excuse the wires. So far I have laid out what I'm going to be wearing for the football camps, and they can really be interchanged. So the first one is laid out right here. That is my top, my bottom, and my skirt. There are my socks. Those are the shoes that I'm going to wear. And then inside that white thing right there are my earrings. And then whichever one I don't wear, or if I don't wear that one, then I'm going to wear this one, of course. So I have everything laid out right here. Here's the bag for both outfits. I'm going to wear the same sneakers, and then I'm going to wear the same earrings. And then those two earrings are going to go for travel on Friday and Sunday. Which brings me to the pieces that I have chosen. Whenever I'm traveling, I still like to be cute, but I also like to be comfortable. So just kind of depending on how I'm feeling, and more than likely I probably will wear this one tomorrow. So today is Thursday. We are leaving on Friday. More than likely I will wear that one. It is a baby doll dress. And then this one is an off the shoulder fit and flare dress for when we travel back on Sunday. So let's go ahead and pack. Also, because my suitcase will not be packed to the brim, I'm actually going to be able to take my Brandon Blackwood toiletry case. I am so excited to use this. Y'all know that I absolutely love Brandon Blackwood. It does have the mirror, hello, and then in right here there is no pockets, but I can just throw my toiletries in there, okay? So I'll also be taking this. Okay, so let's start packing. So I always just put my shoes in first. And those are the first pair of shoes. The second pair of shoes are these, but I'm going to be wearing these on Friday and Saturday, so I'm just going to leave these out. Now, I'm just going to take each outfit and pack. So, those are the outfits for camp. And I have decided that I'm going to wear the baby doll one tomorrow. So this is just the one with the off the shoulders. I'll put that right there. And then I have the bag for football camp. I'll place it right there. So really the only other thing that needs to go in here is jewelry and PJs. The snacks will go in a different bag. So for right now, I am going to put this jewelry right here. And then these two right here, these two pair of earrings, I'm going to get a J. Crew pouch and just put them in here. So I'm just gonna slide that in like that. Slide that in, and just lay that right there. And then set that to the side. So more than likely the earrings that I'm wearing right now, I'll just wake up and put these back on. So now it's just time for PJs. So the only other things that I need to put in there, like I said, are the PJs. Those are currently being washed. And then you guys know that I have two other head wraps this color. They are from YGN. The black one is being washed, and so is the tan one. Those are the two that I will be wearing throughout the weekend. So that's that right now for the packing. I will come back tomorrow morning and show you what I'm wearing, but that's really it. And because there's a specific purpose of where I am going, it was easy to pick out outfits as opposed to going away for a week with really a non-set itinerary, and you just kind of have to go by the weather. So this packing process was pretty easy. And then in the morning, once I use my toiletries, I always have my list, and then as I use things, I just put it in my toiletry bag or I put it in my suitcase just to make sure I'm not forgetting anything, and then I just tick things off. So that's basically it, and I will see y'all tomorrow morning. Good morning, y'all. It is Friday, June 7th, 2024. So as you see, I have my list, I have my pen, and then as I use things, I'm just going to put them in my traveling case, and then I'm going to cross them off my list. So the very first thing are my cotton pads for my face, for my toner, and then the second thing you see is just a couple of paper towels to wipe my face once I have washed my face. So now I'm going to take my pen and I'm just going to cross them off the list, and I'm going to continue to do that for everything else. So that was my face wash, or my travel face wash. I'm going to cross it off. And that was my Nivea, or my travel Nivea. And then I have two lotions, and I'm going to cross them off. And then that was a shaver, mascara, and I'm just crossing them off. And that's exactly what I do for everything. Eye cream. Just a couple more things. Looks like that's deodorant 1, and then deodorant 2. Let's pack the snacks. The very first thing are these gluten-free Chips Ahoy. Y'all, I have not had Chips Ahoy since 2014, so I was elated when I saw these. I have a couple of bottles of water. Those are for everybody. And then I have my Orgain, which is my protein shake. And then I have grapes. And then I have my chips. And then I have fruit strips. These are really good. Then I got some apples. And then I have my apple slicer. That's it. So all of my headscarves are now dry. So I am just going to fold them and put them in. This is the last thing that goes into my suitcase. And then I will be ready. And then lastly, I'll just take my two lists, fold them, leave them right here, put them in there or put them in there. I guess wherever lays flat. Put it right there. That's it. All right, y'all, it's about 11:45. We are leaving at 12, so David is packing the truck. I just really quickly wanted to show you what I'm wearing. So this is my travel outfit. So my head wrap is from YGN. My earrings are from the Gilded Stone. Purse is Mini Cassandra by YSL. My shoes are Shutz, and then this baby doll dress with pockets is from Shona Joy. So I will back up so you can see. All right, good morning, y'all. I don't know if you can hear me. It's about 8:30. So today is Old Dominion. It's beautiful outside. I will show y'all what I am wearing when we get back to the room. David and I just decided to come downstairs and get a little bite to eat. So I will see y'all in the room. All right, y'all have seen this head wrap before. It is from YGN or You Go Natural. My earrings are from the Gilded Stone. This little cover-up or sweatshirt is from Amazon. This bag is from Amazon, and this skirt is from Amazon. These shoes are Tretorn, but I got them from J. Crew. And then under here, I just have on a sleeveless top for when it gets warm. It's also from Amazon.
We always have it coming.